Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on how to export packages in Unity, because the way Unity wants you to export packages is not really good. Because when you try to export something directly, then Unity, like, let's say if I just go to assets, and if I click export package, it's just gonna try to include everything, all the scripts, and when you try to include dependencies, it's gonna include everything, which is not really good. Because if you include all the scripts, even for the for the even the scripts that you don't need, then the person who is importing these exports, they will face this problem that their code might get overwritten. So there's a better way to export things in Unity, and I just want to show you guys how to do that. So the first thing that you'd like to do is that to convert your object into a prefab. Now I already have a lot of prefabs over here. Let's say I want to export the survey builder, so I'm gonna right click on it and then select dependencies, and that is gonna give me all the dependencies related to that specific prefab. And sometimes this might not work on the first try, so you have to kind of like go back and do that again, but it usually works on the second try. And after you have all of your dependencies selected, then you right click on it again and then you select export package. Then it's going to load the exporting package panel. Then you have to uncheck include dependencies. I'm not saying check, you have to uncheck it. So after you uncheck the include dependencies section, the checkbox, then you will get all the dependencies associated with that specific prefab, and then you can export it as a Unity package. You can just save it, and then yeah, you pretty much have your Unity package to export. And the good thing about this approach is that you can also export multiple packages, multiple prefabs at the same time. Let's say I want to export survey builder and HUD canvas at the same time. I can just select one of these, then control on Windows, and then select the other one, then right click, select dependencies. This is going to give me all the dependencies associated with those two prefabs, and then I right click again, and then I go to export package, and then I'm going to uncheck include dependencies, and then I'm going to get all the dependencies associated with those two prefabs. I can then export it and save it, and then I'm going to have the Unity package that I want to export. So that's pretty much it, and I hope this helps you guys out.